it's day 5 and we are just done with the workout. Like, I'm just done with my workout. I did Tabata workout today. Tabata is a form of high intensity interval training wherein you work out or exercise for 20 seconds and take rest of 10 seconds. So it's like, it goes like that, and it was amazing. It was actually very much burning, so you'll burn a lot of calories, and apart from that you'll enjoy it because you get appropriate amount of rest in between. So now I think you must, like, after doing it for 4 days, you can do this basic Tabata. I've not included many exercises. They are very basic exercise that you have been doing on this channel. So the very basic, we'll increase the intensity and the complexity of the exercise as we progress. But for day 5, I have kept it a little simple. So yes, I hope you will develop that endurance. And today so there have been many questions about what else to do with the workout and the meal plan, what all things that we should along with this. So there would be a video coming up at 1 o'clock today itself, so stay tuned on my channel. There would be a video that will have some things that you should do in order to get to a particular target in this 45 days. So yes, there would be a separate video for that. It will be up at 1 o'clock, so stay tuned on my channel for that. And yeah, so let's get into the workout session. You can see I'm burning. Yes, this is satisfaction. I get so many, so I get so many of your DMs about the post workout pictures, and I really love them. I feel that I'm able to do what I meant to do and what was my purpose. My purpose was to motivate you and make you do something, and you are doing it, and it makes me feel amazing. So do send me your pictures, your post workout pictures on my Instagram. I really love them. So yes, do share me those pictures, and I'll put them in my stories and motivate others as well to take up these challenges. So yes, now let's get into the workout session. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
always be the always the